Good morning, student. Welcome to the Gyanjyoti online classes. I am English teacher. Today we discuss English grammar, chapter 17. Okay. And chapter 10 is on, in, under, and over. Okay. So first you open your book, page number 96, English grammar book, and open your English grammar copy also. Okay. So we have to discuss on, in, under, and over. So dear student, first look at your book. Look at this picture. This picture first. You look this picture, and you have to complete this one. Okay. For example, you have to see blackboard. You have to see one kitten. First number, the kitten is dash the word. Okay. Then number second, you have to see on the rabbit. The rabbit is dash the box. Okay. Then third number, the cat is there the filter. So dear student, first you see your book. You have to see three picture. One kitten is wall, and one rabbit is a box. One cat is the table. So we have to using these words on, in, under, and over. On, in, under, and over. So what we use first number, the kitten is dash the word. So हम लोग को लगाना है kitten जो है वन के ऊपर है. You have to see. So इसलिए हम लोग लगाना है on. On means ऊपर. The kitten is on the wall. यानी कि wall के ऊपर में. Okay. Then second number, the rabbit is the box. The rabbit is the box. This is the box. तो rabbit जो है आप लोग पिक्चर देख लो कहाँ पे है. The rabbit is in the box. In the box. Okay. Then third number, the cat is what? The table. Fill in the blanks. What? We have to use under. Okay. The cat is under the table. So dear student, first number we have to complete it using on, then second number you have to complete it in, then third number you have to complete it under. Okay. So first you see the picture, then you have to use own idea, then you have to fill in the blanks. We have to already fill in the blanks. See the blackboard properly and write in your notebook or note copy. Okay. The kitten on the wall, the sentence is completed. Then second number, the rabbit is in the box. Okay. Then third number, the cat is under the table. So first you know about on means ऊपर में, in means अंदर में, under यानी कि नीचे, over यानी कि ऊपर, यानी कि वो भी ऊपर होगा, यानी कि थोड़ा ऊपर, जैसे वॉल के ऊपर जैसे किचन है उसके ऊपर में रहेगा, उसको ओवर करेंगे. ठीक. So let's start the chapter. Okay. On, in, under, and over. You know this one also. Okay. Then another example you have to see on blackboard properly. Understand all this. Then you have to do yourself. Okay. Look at this picture and read the sentence. Pay attention to the words in color. Okay. So you have to see on the red color. That is a important for you. The boy standing outside his house. Outside. Using the boy boy is standing. The boy is standing outside. Here we have to using outside. Outside his house. The Hindi meaning is the boy is standing outside his house. यानी कि एक जो बच्चा है उसके घर के बाहर खड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, उसके घर के बाहर खड़ा हुआ है. Just you to see on the car there in house and the boy standing outside his house. Okay. Then second number, children are sitting. First number, then second number, see the children. The children are sitting inside. Inside में बस के अंदर. Inside the bus. कुछ बच्चे जो है बस के अंदर बैठे. आउटसाइड में बाहर, इनसाइड में अंदर. ओके, ठीक है. ये घर के बाहर, ये बस के अंदर. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट नंबर. So dear student, you have to write all the numbers in your copy. It's important for you, and repeated again is important for you. So all the numbers you have to write in your copy. Then third number, the basket. The basket of fruit is on the table. On the table. Okay. So you have to see the picture and see the blackboard also. Okay. You have to see the picture on your book. Then see the picture on your blackboard. Okay. Then you have to understand well. So the basket of fruits is on the table. जो बास्केट जो है उसमें फ्रूट्स है वो जो है टेबल के ऊपर में है, इसलिए हम लोग क्या यूज किए हैं, ऑन द टेबल. द बास्केट ऑफ फ्रूट्स इज ऑन द टेबल. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट, note it in your copy. Okay. See the picture properly and see blackboard properly. Okay. So we have to understand well. Okay. Then another number. The fish is swimming. The fish is swimming in the water. In the water. The fish is swimming in the water. Here we have to use it in what? Using in. क्योंकि फिश जो है पानी के अंदर ही रहता है. ये सुनो, पानी के बाहर जगह आ जाता है वो उसका जो है डेथ हो जाता है. इसलिए फिश जो है ज्यादातर स्विमिंग करता रहता है, पानी के अंदर ही रहता है. ओके. सो फिश इज स्विमिंग इन द वाटर. So here we have to using in. Okay. Understand properly because it's important for you. Which place we have to use it on, in, under, and over. Okay. Then we have to do address number. The girl is standing. The girl is standing behind the book shelf. Okay. The girl is standing behind. यानी कि गर्ल्स जो है बुक सेल के पीछे खड़ी हुई है. बुक सेल के पीछे खड़ी है, इसलिए यहाँ पे behind है. The girls is standing behind the book cell. So here we have to using behind. Okay. बुक सेल का पीछे खड़ी हुई व्हीकल्स। ओके, आगे अगर खड़ा होता तो और कुछ लगता, पीछे खड़ा हुआ है इसलिए बिहाइंड। ठीक है, बिहाइंड, बिसाइड। देन अनदर नंबर अरमान। Arman is sitting beside, here we are using beside जूही। जूही के बगल में अरमान बैठा हुआ है। अरमान इज सिटिंग बिसाइड जूही, यानी कि जूही गर्ल्स का नाम है और अरमान एक बॉयज का नाम है। अरमान जो है जूही के बगल में बैठा हुआ है। ठीक है, सो वी हैव टू यूजिंग बिसाइड। ओके, देन गर्ल्स इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड द बुक सेल। बुक सेल के पीछे तरफ खड़ी हुई है, इसलिए हम लोग लगाएंगे बिहाइंड। सो वी हैव टू क्लियर व्हिच प्लेस वी हैव टू यूजिंग on, in, under, over, outside, inside, behind, beside. Tell us where someone is something. Is such word tell us the position of person and animal or things are called preposition. So this type of words tell us the position of person or an animal or things are called preposition. Okay, this one preposition, this one called preposition. So let's we have to note in your note copy. Okay, which one is preposition? This typing you to know about all the sentence, all the words. So let's start. You have to note it. Words that tell us the position of a person and animal or a thing are called preposition. What? Preposition. Okay. So dear student, words that tell us the position of a person. किसी का पोजीशन दर्शाता होगा, एक व्यक्ति का, एक जानवर का या कोई चीज का. So that's called preposition. Okay. So note it in your copy. Okay. You have to do next question answer. Okay. So be ready and write all the question answer also. We have to not write all the question answer, but for example, we have to know and just write on a blackboard. Okay. Then be ready. Okay. We have to write question answer. So let's see the blackboard. Let's see the blackboard properly. Okay. Choose the correct word. First, we have to choose the correct word. Okay. So let's start. So dear student, choose the correct word. We have to do first. क्वेश्चन आंसर हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. जस्ट यू हैव टू नोट इट. ओके, इन योर कॉपी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर व्हिच इज द करेक्ट. सो द ब्रिज goes dash the river. Okay. here two options, under or over. The bridge goes dash river. ब्रिज जो है आपका रिवर के नीचे में जाएगा कि ऊपर में जाएगा, ठीक है। सो द ब्रिज गोज डैश रिवर, अंडर और ओवर. सो फर्स्ट यू डिसाइडेड which is the correct answer. Just you see the blackboard properly and understand the sentence. The bridge goes dash the river, under or over. Which is the right answer? So over is the right answer. So here we have to write over. River, okay? Over the river. The bridge goes over the river. And you have to tick here, okay? Two options is here. So first tick this one. Then number 2, we kept the clothes. We kept the clothes. Dash the cupboard. Okay, cupboard. We kept the clothes. Dash the cupboard. Inside or here option, inside or outside. Okay, so two option is here. So just you have to choose one. We kept the clothes. The dash the cupboard. कपबोर्ड जो है, हम लोग कपड़े जो है कपबोर्ड के इनसाइड में रखते हैं कि आउटसाइड, इनसाइड और आउटसाइड. जस्ट यू हैव टू चूज वन थिंग्स, इनसाइड और आउटसाइड. सो इनसाइड इज द राइट आंसर. सो हियर we have to write inside. Okay, here you have to fill up inside the cupboard. We kept the clothes inside the cupboard. Then you have to tick here also. Okay, tick here. Then write the blanks. Okay, then you have to do Anders number. See the blackboard properly. Okay. Okay, then we have to do third number. I left my book desk the table. Okay, see the blackboard properly. Here in or on. Two options. I left my book desk the table. In the table हो गया कि on the table. Okay, just you have to choose one. I left my book in the table or on the table. Which is the right answer? So on the table. Table के ऊपर में ही होगा. So you have to tick here and put on these blanks. Okay, I left my book on the table. Sentence is completed. Then fourth number, the kitten. The kitten is dash the basket. The kitten is dash the basket. In or out. Here are the two options. So first you have to choose this one. Okay, which is the right answer. The kitten is in the basket or over the basket. So here in is the correct answer. In the basket. So we have to put in this place. Okay. So third number, let's see. Third number, I left my book on the table. and tick here. Then fourth number the kitten is in the basket. Tick here also. Okay? So we have to do 1, 2, 3 and 4 things. Rest others somebody have to do yourself. Okay? It's very easy. First you understand the sentence. Okay? Then you have to do easily all the number. Okay? And then we have to do another number. Let's see the blackboard properly. Okay? Okay, dear student, let's see the blackboard properly. Choose the correct word. Here, one number and two number are already right on the blackboard. So let's start this one. Radha sits dash me in the class. So three option is here: under, beside, and on. Okay, which is one we have to using in the blanks. So just we have to see properly and give the answer. Which is the right answer? Radha sits dash me in the class. Under, beside, or on. Okay. So which is the right answer? Under, beside, or on. So here we have to tick beside. B number is right answer. And we have to write here beside. Okay. राधा sits beside me in the class. Okay. राधा जो है उनके ठीक बगल में बैठती है क्लास. ठीक है. Then sentence is completed. Then two number. The letters are dash the end verb. The letters are dash the end verb. The three options: on, over, inside. On, over, inside. Okay. So just choose one. On, over, inside में some एक चुनना. ठीक है. So just you have to choose one number. Letter, the letter are inside the envelope. So we have to write here inside the envelope. So one number and two number you have to complete it. Let's see the blackboard properly. We have to do another numbers. Okay. So it's very easy. Just you have to keep your mind. Just you have to think and understand the sentence. Then you have to easily use इन तीन ऑप्शन में से आप लोग इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं. एक ठीक है. फर्स्ट हमको भी समझना पड़ेगा. Then you have to do all the numbers. Very easy. Okay. Let's see the blackboard. We have to do another. Okay. Okay, dear student, let's see the blackboard. And number 3 you have to do. Gina stood dash me in the queue. Option is behind, over, on. Okay. Here three options: behind, over, and on. So which is the right answer? Just you have to think and give the answer. Which is the right answer? Behind, over, on. So Gina stood dash me in the queue. A option is the right answer. So you have to click here and write in the place behind. Okay, behind in the queue. यानी कि गीना जो है पीछे खड़ी हुई थी. ठीक. गीना बिहाइंड मी इन द क्यू यानी मेरे से पीछे खड़ी हुई थी. ठीक है. वो भी लाइन में. ठीक है. लाइन में मेरे से पीछे खड़ी हुई. Then fourth number. The ball rolled dash the car. Option is inside, on, under. Inside, on, or under. इनमें से कौन सा? The ball rolled under. Okay. See, under the car. यानी कि कार के नीचे बॉल जो है रोल होते हुए चली गई. ठीक है. The ball rolled under the car. ठीक है. So we have to complete the number and fourth number also 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to complete it. Then you know all the numbers. You have to do yourself. Okay. Rest others number. Here the ये जो है 10 नंबर तक है. आप लोग जो है अपने हिसाब से इसको करेंगे. ठीक है. So you have to do yourself all the numbers properly. It's very easy, not a bit difficult. Just you understand and using right place, right numbers, right words. Okay. So you have to do another number. Let's see the blackboard. Okay, dear student, first you see the black book, 99 page. Okay, look at this picture and answer this question. Okay, one has been done for you. So first you see the blackboard properly. Look at this picture and answer this question. 99 page you have to see your book. Where is the flower vase? The flower vase is on the table. Here using on. What? On the table. फ्लावर बेस जो है टेबल के ऊपर है, ठीक है। देन सेकंड नंबर, व्हेयर इज द फ्रूट्स बॉल? व्हेयर इज द फ्रूट बॉल? द फ्रूट्स आर इन द बॉल। ओके, हियर द यूजिंग इन। फ्रूट्स जो है बॉल के अंदर में, ठीक है। फ्रूट्स जो है बॉल के अंदर में, ठीक। सो यू हैव टू यूजिंग हियर इन द बॉल। ओके। Then third number, where are the fruits? The fruits tablecloth is on the fruits. Okay. Here we have to write fruits. So third number, where is the fruits? The tablecloth is on the fruits. Okay. Third number, just we have to mistake this one. So write another. We have to write fourth number. So actual third number is the where are the fruits? Where are the fruits? Okay. The answer is the fruits are in the table, in the bowl. The fruits are in the bowl. Okay. So third number is here. By mistake you have to write fourth number. So just you have to write number third. Don't write number 4. Okay. Where are the fruits? The fruits are in the bowl. Okay. यहाँ पे in the bowl. So just write all the number 1, 2, 3 in your copy. The rest others number you have to do yourself. Okay. It's very easy. Just you have to using correct place, correct words. So first you understand the meanings, then sentence, then do easily all the number. We have to do 1 and 2, 3 number. Then rest 4, 5 number you have to do yourself. If do not understand or any doubt, then you have to contact me. We have to send in your WhatsApp group also as a PDF file question answer. So see PDF file and do all the question answer also. Okay. If any doubt, then you have to contact me also. My number is see in WhatsApp group. Okay. So let's do another number. See the blackboard properly. So dear students, see the blackboard properly. Correct this sentence. We have to detect this sentence. Okay. यानी कि हम लोग को सही आंसर लिखना है, ठीक है। Where the cap in your head? So we have to converse a words here the in using in, but answer is on. Okay. Where the cap on your head? In your head नहीं हो सकता, ऊपर अंदर में कैसे पहनेंगे, ठीक है। हेड के अंदर कैसे पहनेंगे? On your head होगा. So we have to change the sentence where the cap on your head. Okay. इसको हम लोग चेंज करें. Then 2 number, the telephone is inside table. The telephone is inside table. Inside table नहीं हो सकता. So we have to change this one sentence. The telephone is on the table. On the table. Here you have to using also on the table. टेबल के ऊपर टेलीफोन रहेगा ना, इनसाइड में कैसे रहेगा, ठीक। सो फर्स्ट ये जो रॉन्ग है उसको हम सही तरीके से इसको सेंटेंस बना के लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो 2 नंबर, द टेलीफोन इज inside the table, is that not correct? The correct is the telephone is on the table, okay. Then third number, the dog is lying out side the chair, okay. So third number you have to, this one is wrong, so you have to convert a right answer. The dog is lying under the chair, we have to use it here, under the chair. So dear student, rest others are you have to do yourself. Number 10 here total number is 10, so do all the numbers 1 and 2 3 we have to do on a blackboard, then you have to do yourself. So dear student, keep your mind, it's very easy, not a difficult. You do yourself. First you have to understand the sentence, read the sentence and do all the numbers properly. First number you have to see, we wear the cap in your hand. In your hand ये जो है wrong sentence, ठीक है। सर के अंदर हम लोग कैप नहीं पहन सकते। Wear the cap on your head, यानी ऊपर में सर के ऊपर पहन सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो उसी तरह से 1 2 3 हम लोग यहाँ पे कर चुके हैं। देन रेस्ट अदर्स नंबर यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ। ऑल नंबर आर वेरी इजी, नॉट ए डिफिकल्ट, ओके। सो यू हैव टू डू योर ओन। इफ एनी डिफिकल्टी देन यू हैव टू कॉन्टैक्ट मी इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, माय कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज देयर, सो यू हैव टू एनी डाउट देन suddenly or very soon you have to contact me, and we have to sending as a PDF file question answer also. So see that one also, okay. It's help you to all the numbers and question answer to very easily, okay. So I hope you are enjoy today's class. Today chapter 17 English grammar we have to complete it, and I hope again you all are enjoy and do all the question answer properly. Today on, in, under and over, okay. Our class is totally completely, okay. But the last information, dear student, at the very difficult time for us now, so we have to work hard and enjoy all the classes, okay. See all the video or Gyan Jyoti online classes, okay, properly, and do all the numbers and question properly, read properly. Don't go outside if not necessary. Use masks, sanitizers, and at least you have to hand washes for your hand 20 seconds, okay. And don't go outside as a playing, as any importance work, okay. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much for seeing our video. Thank you.